Okay, so here we got the function app. So yeah, it's just connection strings and the names of all the like the table, the container, queue and file share. Here is the table function first, and we got the blob function over here, the queue function, the write to queue, and then there is the read to from queue, and then the writing to files function. And loads efficiently. We're gonna just put this in a web browser. Yep, that's the table store. Right into blob. And there's like nothing here really. So I'll try and get some stuff. Like them is showing that the stuff load in the yeah. And what's the last one? Files. Okay. Now we are going to the console app. Just let's look at it. Here's the console app. There's our reference list. We got our function. This is the publish function. So like everything here is now like the localhost links. There's not in switch case. I said here that if the local is not working, you just replace this, the URL with the function URL itself, the normal one. I just then one, the publish one. And here's the recall the table storage, recall the blob. Yeah. And recall the queue, read the queue, and for what you call file share. So we're gonna go back to table storage here is what we put in. This content goes into the search bar, which now basically inserts the data as well here, blob. That's the name of the blob, and then the container. That was the container, not the container. The file, and then what's in the file is here. And this is the message for the queue. Reading that. And the file name of the file share, and then what's in the file. Just creates it there. That's how we're gonna run it. Okay, it's got off 5 stars. Now, bear with me, none of the stuff actually work. It just loads, so the code doesn't work efficiently. So if I say like one to do store those things from the content into the table storage, it won't crash. It's just that the code thinks there's nothing in it that's null basically. I have to only say that because of the error handling that I implemented into the code. It does that for all of the stuff. Writing to blob, no connection could be made. No connection could be made. No connection could be made. Guess what? No connection could be made. So that is the console app. And now go over to our function app in Azure. So here is our functions basically. And now we can go to our storage account. This like shows there's nothing in there, but that is all. Blob containers, yeah, the notes. I added this already from like different code, but it's not that. File shares. This is was update in here. I added this also pre-hand. Queues, nothing in the queue. This was added pre-hand with different code. It wasn't part of a function. There is the tables, nothing in there, nothing adds, they just load.